welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have my March latest in beauty unboxing. If you are not aware what this is, it is a monthly subscription box offered by the website Latest in Beauty. This does cost £12.95 per month plus shipping. Once you've been a subscriber for, I believe it is 6 months, you will become a pro member. That will mean that you no longer pay shipping on your subscription box. I am a pro member of the subscription, so I do just pay the £12.95. This subscription does differ slightly from others on the market in that you actually choose the contents of your box yourself each month. You can choose from an array of different products, and each month you will choose 6 items to put in your box. They do each month have a new edit that they release. The edit for March is the Beauty Glow Down edit. So what that does mean, at the beginning of each month they will announce their edit and all the products that will be contained in there. They do usually put a picture up on their social media channels of all the products. What they used to do is they would release one of these products every single day, and then once there was enough products that you liked, you could check out on your box. When you do sign up to this subscription, I believe the date that you sign up becomes your renewal date. So for me, it is the 6th of every month that my payment comes out, and it is from that date I can make my choices. Because they have now changed the system in that they will drop 4 or 5 products every single Monday, it's not always straight away that I can make my box, because they've not necessarily dropped the products that I like in the first maybe 1 or 2 drops, and that was definitely the case with March's box. There were only 1 of 2 products that I liked the look of from the first 2 weeks worth of drops, so that's why my box was only ordered in the past week or so, and that's why this video is up later than usual, and that's probably going to be a recurring theme. I did kind of prefer when they dropped the products on a daily basis and I didn't have to wait a whole new week to see what products would be released, although I do get the reasoning because it can be quite frustrating to have to check the website every single day. So I did pick my 6 products for this month. I don't think all of them are from this month's edit. I think they possibly are from past edits, which is something that you can do because they do keep a product on their website until it sells out. They do also have a product that they call their haul of the month, and I think this is one that they do have kind of surplus supply of, so it is one that they do expect to stay in stock for the whole of the month, whereas a lot of the other products can go out of stock if it is a popular product. I have been slightly disappointed with the choice in the past couple of months, if I'm honest, and I have struggled to make my selections, and both times I have had to rely on older products. I think it's because they are trying to focus more on sort of unknown brands and new brands to the market this year. And whilst that is a really good idea, and I do like that they are showcasing new brands, for me, when I get a subscription box, yes, okay, I like trying products, but I also like products from trusted brands. They did have a lot of products from the likes of NARS and things last year, whereas this year it's definitely been more unknown brands. This is a subscription box that I am kind of on the fence about whether to cancel or not. I will decide in the next couple of months if I do continue to struggle with my picks, because even though I am struggling to make picks and I'm not getting the highest amount of value out of my box, I'm still getting more than the £12.95 that I've paid. But enough of all the explanation, why don't I show you the 6 items that I chose. This is how the box comes, and as I say, this month's edit is the Beauty Glow Down edit. So the first product I chose this month is a deodorant, and this is from Sure. This is the Sure Advanced Protect 72-hour antiperspirant in Light and Fresh. The reason why I picked this one up is because I am genuinely in need of a new deodorant, and the one that I'm currently using is from Sure and I am really enjoying it, so when I seen I could get one of these, I thought I might as well. I don't think this is the exact same line of the ones that I'm using. I think the one I'm using might just be a deodorant, whereas this is an antiperspirant, and I've not smelled this scent or anything before, so it might be quite nice to try something different. Up until me trying the Sure that I'm using now, I've been using the same Nivea deodorant for years, and I think my body got a little bit too used to it, so I'm kind of needing more of an antiperspirant now, if you get my drift. So I'm keen to see what this one's like, and if I'm honest, it's one I probably would have walked past in a shop, because I normally go for the ones in the pink packaging because they're kind of fruity and floral, which is what I like. I don't tend to go for ones that say light and fresh. So actually I'm just going to kind of spray it into the room and see what it's like. That does have quite a nice fragrance to it, but the smell of that instantly reminds me of the gym. It must be because it's an antiperspirant, it's possibly the smell that a lot of people who go to the gym go for, but it is a really nice fresh scent, and it is one that I think I will enjoy wearing. Definitely not a scent I would normally go for. If I would have sprayed that in the supermarket or something, I don't think I would have picked that up. I actually do think I'm going to quite like wearing that scent, so I'm glad I could pick that up. So what I do with my latest in beauty boxes, I do go through and work out the value of each of the items I received. So for this one, as you can see, this is a full-size product and this is worth £2.99. The next product I chose is this one from Gianni. This is the Frizz Control Miracle Styling Milk. I was really intrigued by this one, and I don't know if you can necessarily tell, but I do definitely have an issue with frizzy hair, so anything that will tame the frizz I'm willing to give a try. This one says anti-frizz, humidity proof and heat protection, incredible taming for unruly hair, smooth through towel dried hair before styling. So this is the kind of product that I do like, and I have tried quite a lot of spray-in products, leave-in conditioners and all that as of late, and I just don't seem to be able to battle the frizz. I don't know if it's because I've been straightening my hair less that it now seems to be a bit more unruly, because I would straighten my hair every single time I washed it. Now that I've been working from home, I've not kind of felt the need for that, and more often than not my hair is in a scrunchie all day long. So I feel like because I'm not straightening it as frequently, it just hasn't retained that straightness that it does usually, because it's never frizzy for very long, if that makes sense. So I'm hoping that something like this will work. With it being a milk consistency, I'm hoping that it's not going to be too heavy and won't weigh down my hair, but I will give it a go. This is 125ml of product and is again actually another full-size product. You can pick this one up in Boots for £7.25. The next product I chose is the product that is March's haul of the month, and this is Neal's Yard Wild Rose Beauty Balm. This says enhances radiance and nurtures, and I think it's one of those products that you kind of can do a bit of everything with. It's probably something that could be used as a lip balm, as a skin moisturiser and things like that. I don't tend to go for these kind of multi-use type products. I also don't tend to go for anything that is overly rose scented, which I'm going to say that this probably is. But if I'm honest, I was struggling to pick a sixth item, so I thought I would just give this one a go because it is the haul of the month. I'm just going to actually smell it because I haven't smelled it yet. And yeah, as expected and as the name would suggest, that is very heavily rose scented. So if I'm honest, I don't think I'm going to even attempt to use this product because I don't think I'm going to get full use out of it. So what I'm probably going to do is just stick this in my giveaway pile. If I used it once, it'd be a waste because I just don't think I'd get full use out of it. So it might as well go to a better home. The full size of this one is 50 grams for £40. So this is 15 grams, which I work out is worth £12. I feel like this month I've gone for very useful products, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. The next thing I've picked up is this gentle wash, and this one is from the brand QV or possibly Ego. And this says it's a soap alternative for dry skin conditions. And this was something that I picked up with my daughter in mind. She does suffer quite badly from eczema. And to be honest, it's something she's inherited from me because I do suffer myself from eczema, but touch wood, I haven't had any really bad breakouts for a while, but she is suffering a bit at the moment, and we are just constantly applying moisturiser and things like that to her. But I thought something that could help would be her wash. The one we do use at the moment is the one from Sanex, and that is really gentle on the skin, but that is not aimed, I don't think, at kind of skin conditions, whereas this is. So I thought I would give this one a go. It does say on the back that it's to manage the symptoms of dry, itchy skin conditions such as dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, which I don't think I've ever heard of, and itchiasis, that can't be right. By aiding moisture retention in the skin, it's an alternative to soap with hydrating properties to restore normal skin condition, and it's suitable for infants, children and elderly. So it just says use as often as required for bathing, showering or hand washing. So that's quite handy that I can also use it for hand washing. And then wet skin and apply. So this is definitely going to be going straight into the bathroom. One of the places that my daughter does actually suffer from eczema from, she gets little patches on the back of both of her hands. It's obviously down to all the hand washing and things that she's been doing. So I think initially I'm going to put this by the sink to see how it kind of goes with those patches on her hands first, and then if it works well with them, I will probably use it in the bath or shower with it as well. The only problem I have is if this product does work for her, there aren't many websites that stock this. So I will have to definitely hunt something down, because if this works for me, I will without a doubt repurchase it. So I've written down on my paper that this is a full size because I think this is one that I could actually buy in store, but I do believe they have a bigger size as well. So this one is 250 grams, which you can purchase for £6.10. but I do think they had a 500 grams one which was about £10. So if I say this one works for me and I do repurchase it, I would probably just go in with the bigger one. So I am really keen to give this one a go and see if it helps in any way with hair eczema. The next product is this from Bliss Skin, and this is a sugar scrub in pineapple. I am currently using the Sol de Janeiro Bod Buff in my shower as a body scrub, and I am really enjoying it, but I think I might have used too many things with the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom scent, as I'm kind of hitting my limit with it. So I thought I would give this a go as a kind of palette cleanser, and I do really like things that are pineapple scented. I have already opened this one up and it does smell absolutely amazing, so I am really excited to break into this. And because of it being a sugar scrub, it is a really strange consistency. It does almost look kind of mousse-like, but it does have that grit to it. Yeah, it just smells absolutely amazing, so I am really excited to give this one a go properly. The only place I could find this product to purchase is actually on Bliss's website, but it is a really affordable product, so another one that if I enjoy it I would definitely repurchase. So a full size of this is 200 grams for £2.99, so I work out that this 40 gram sample is worth 60p. I do like that it comes in almost a mini little jam jar, but I am really excited to give this a go because it does smell absolutely gorgeous. And based on the kind of packaging and things, I presume it is a kind of small company, which, as I said earlier, they are definitely trying to highlight small companies and new companies and things, which I think is great, and I would happily purchase from this brand if I did enjoy the product. So even though I did kind of bash it and say that I do like to see brands that I recognise, it is still nice to have the odd brand that I don't too. And then my sixth and final product is these bath salts from Dr. Teals. These are the pure Epsom salt soaking solution with lavender. I have tried Epsom salts in the past and I have really enjoyed them, but I've never tried the lavender ones before. I think possibly in a past latest in beauty box I tried the eucalyptus ones, which I did quite enjoy, but the bag was not half as big as this, so I am really excited that it is a huge bag of this. It is 450 grams of product, and I've just actually noticed that it says made in the USA. I don't know why, but I thought Dr. Teals was a UK brand for some reason. But yeah, really excited to give this one a go. I have been actually getting into bath salts more as of late, and I do feel like they are really nice in the bath. The eucalyptus ones that I tried were nice, and then I have also tried some lavender ones from a different brand and they were nice as well. So I'm really excited to give these ones a go, and say I'm really impressed with the size of the bag. It's not quite full size, but still it's a decent amount of product and I will get quite a lot of baths out of this. So the full size of this is actually 1.36 kilograms, which is £7.99. So I work out that this 450 gram bag is worth £2.64. So just to recap, there are all 6 of the items that I received in the March latest in beauty box. It is a very heavy box this month because there are a lot of full-size products in there, so I was quite impressed with the size of the products. So even though the products in here aren't necessarily exciting to me, they are all very useful and they are all genuinely products I would use. I know at the beginning of the video I did sound quite negative, saying there wasn't much to pick from, wasn't anything exciting and things like that, but now I'm sitting down and looking at the box in front of me. Other than this rose balm, which I won't use, there are products in here that are things that I could see myself repurchasing in the future and not just trying for the sake of trying something, if that makes any sense. And I think for £12.95 it is a really good value box. I have totted up the total of everything and I work out that all these products are worth £31.58, so I am definitely getting my £12.95 worth. Actually, now looking at these products, I do think most of these are from this month's edit. I had thought I'd only picked a couple from the edit, but I think it might only be this sugar scrub that's not. Obviously this one is definitely in this month's edit, and I think the rest of them might be as well. So yeah, maybe I picked more from the edit than I thought I did. I just know in the past couple of months that hasn't been the case. So I think I might have gone into this a little bit too harsh on this box, because this is a really good box and I am genuinely excited to try the things that are in here, even though they aren't exciting products per se. If you are interested in this subscription, I will leave a link to the website in my description box below. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.